Good evening, everyone. I stand before you not just as an actor, an artist, or a public figure, but as someone who has lived through fears, faced them head on, and learned that the essence of life lies in embracing the fearlessness within us. Growing up, I was always the dreamer, the girl with her head in the clouds, conjuring worlds far from my reach. But as I grew, so did my fears. The fear of failure, of not belonging, of not being good enough. These fears, though crippling, were never enough to dim the light of my dreams. Why, you ask? Because I believed in the power of fearlessness. Fearlessness is not the absence of fear, it's the mastery of it. It's about making the decision to stand up, to try, even when your voice shakes, even when the odds are stacked against you. My journey from a small town in India to the global stages was not paved with certainty. It was paved with the courage to be fearless. I've been told no more times than I can count, but each no was a stepping stone, a lesson in perseverance and resilience. Being fearless meant embracing those no's, learning from them, and pushing forward with even more determination. In an industry where the norm was to fit in, I chose to stand out. To be fearless is to be authentic, to hold onto your identity when the world tells you to let go. I chose to bring my whole self, my culture, my heritage into everything I do, unapologetically. And that has been my greatest strength. Fearlessness also means lifting others as you climb. It's about breaking barriers not just for yourself, but for those who come after you, paving the way for a world more inclusive, more understanding, and more accepting. To the young girls and boys out there, to anyone who's ever been told they can't do it, that their dreams are too big, their ambitions too lofty. I stand before you as proof that no dream is too distant, no goal too impossible. It all starts with a step taken in the direction of your fears, with the belief that you can overcome them. Remember, being fearless is not the lack of fear. It's the courage to say, I am scared, but I am going to do it anyway. It's the courage to be imperfect, to be vulnerable, and still stand tall. So I urge you all, live fearlessly. Dream, act, achieve. Let your fearlessness guide you to heights unknown, to paths untraveled. The world is yours to conquer. Thank you.